สวัสดีครับผมคือโคเรเลนครับ Today I will go to the World Firework Festival today. Yeah, but it's a little far from here. Maybe it takes 37 minutes to go by the subway and then go to the Yeouinaru. But right now, I didn't eat anything today, so I will go to convenience store and then just eat something and then I will go. Okay, bye. Yeah, convenience store. Oh my gosh. I think this one is good. And some drinks. Yeah, in Thailand, this one doesn't have. So I can drink in Korea only this one. This one is the Powerade. It's my favorite one. And this one is my favorite one. It's chocolate bread. Yeah. Alright, I went to the 7-Eleven, which is Yeouinaru. It's line number 5. Yeah. I'll use this one and it takes only 37 minutes to go there. So let's go. Yeah, this is the Korean subway, just like the BTS or the MRT. Yeah, I need to go by this way because this is Korean subway. Yeah, only the card. Yeah, I guess there's so many people. Yeah, 100 million people will go to the firework festival. Yeah, I'm so worried about that. สถานีต่อไป Yeouinaru. Yeah, line number 5. Protect onto the Matruang Kanakata growth. But you know guys, the subway in Korea is really quiet. Yeah. Sorry, don't like it. It's quiet, it's too scary.
The train for Kangpa is approaching.
Oh my gosh, so many people. Oh, it starts. Oh my gosh, there's so many people. Maybe this guy looks like a Thai. Yeah, Bangkok? Yeah, I know the way where I have to go. There's so many food again. It's just like Thailand. Oh my gosh. Yeah, like this. Oh, it's 5,000. I'll go by that way. And nearby the 63 building. Yeah, I will eat later. Yeah, I will come here again. Yeah. Just wait. Wow. Old beer. Oh yeah. Yeah, big cup. Yeah, because last year I come here before, but it was 2 p.m. And also there isn't any place to sit because so many people. So I come here today for 1 p.m. I hope I can sit somewhere. Yeah. Many toilet here too. Yeah. And some food. Oh, it's okay. It's just like a D-Tag or Turu money. Yeah, just like this. Yeah, it's a Korean telecom. You know, smoking in the Han River is illegal, but their grandpa smoking. Guys, it's just like a war. Yeah, have to find their own places to sit. So I have to go that way quickly. Yeah, I have to win. All right. That there's so many zombies are coming. In Korea, we have like the delivery zone. Yeah, just waiting for grab some food and waiting here. Yeah, it's a Korean style. Look at that, it's just so many zombies. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's find some another way. Yeah, because this place is the really good to watch the fireworks because that way and this way. Yeah. All right, let's find some another place. I bought this one is Hopsi Bat. Yeah, I bought this too. So it's called a Winner Hopsi Bat. Right, I finished. It's my place. Yeah, it's my own place. Alright. But exactly, this place is too hot. Yeah, I come here alone. Yeah, it starts at 6 p.m. But right now I have to wait for 5 hours from here. So I don't know what I have to do. It's 5 hours. It's just like the 5 hours can go to Bangkok by the airplane. Alright, just wait for the firework. You know, this place is the island. Yeah, just like the BP island. Yeah. But you know guys, it's Korea. But I will do just like the Thai. Yeah, let's try it. สวัสดีครับ 순살
순살로 드릴까요?
ใช่
젓가락 몇 개 필요하세요?
하나? เท่าไหร่ครับ How much? No bag? Guys, this is my chicken. Maybe it'll be delicious, maybe. Alright. ขอบคุณนะครับ Hey guys, this is so funny. I just say เท่าไรครับสวัสดีครับขอบคุณนะครับ Alright, fun day now. Yeah, I wake up and then I want to drink some coffee. So let's try it. Here I have a coffee. Another coffee. I will try here. Yeah. Oh my gosh, just this coffee is 100 baht. It's too expensive. Oh my gosh. I want to go to Thailand. Yeah, I just walking on the street and then I just listen to Thai accent. And then I want to talking with that people. Yeah, because I have some Thai food. Yeah, my friend give this one from Bangkok. I will go and then ask about just, do you want to try this one with me? Like that. Okay, bye. You Thai? You Thai? Oh, alright. Thailand. Yeah, they were just from the Vietnam, yeah, not from the Thailand. It's hard to find some Thai people in the Korea, yeah. Yeah, I found some chicken before. This is the BHC, the chicken. The chicken name is Yeouinaru. Yeah, I will eat this one alone, but I think it looks so bad. This one is the chicken, and this one is the sauce. This one is the just like a somtam chicken with these vegetables. Yeah, it's just like a somtam. Use chopsticks and use the sauce and eat. It's just so simple, just expensive. It's festival right now. I think it's bad quality. This one is not the real chicken. Yeah, just expensive. That's all. Alright, right now only 1 hour left. But I will introduce this one. It's not an advertisement. I just buy this one in the Shopee. Yeah, it's not the advertisement. Yeah, it's okay. You guys, it's really big. It's almost my face. My face is really big. But here I have a tree, the small one. Yeah, I think I have to put this one all in this box. All right, it's time to smell it. Really good, yeah. All right, and the next one is this one. Yeah, like this. It's really long, yeah. It's for the South Thailand. And it's really long too. Yeah. Is this a medicine or it's just like a bad food? It's a chocolate. It's really small. Yeah, do you guys see? I think this one is for the baby. And now we got the cola. Hi, cola. Oh, it's just same. It's really small. It's a heart. Oh, I like this one. Yeah, this one's so good. Yeah. All right. The next one is this one. Is this a firework? Yeah, it's a slice. My powder. All right. And the next one. Yeah, maybe this one. Okay, let's try this one. It's just like a fruit. Next one is this one. I don't know what this one. Maybe candy or not. I don't know what it is. Okay, let's try it. Maybe the sugar or the powder have a peanut inside. It's not my style, sorry. Sorry, my friend. Yeah, thank you for the gift, but it's not my style. Yeah, this one. It's a Thailand product, of course. And there is a corn flavor. And then shake it, boom, boom. Alloy. This one. Alloy. So, product time is finished. Alright. Yeah, the toilet line is really long. I have to wait for maybe 10 minutes. But look at this. They didn't pay for the rent from here. And then the police comes and they can't sell something. They can't sell the food. Hi guys, it's almost 30 minutes left. So I'm gonna eat the ramen. Yeah, this one. And then I also bring the hot water here. So let's try it. Alright, let's wait for 2 minutes. Wow, right now only 1 minute left. Look at that, the view of Seoul. Yeah, and also that is the 63 for building. Yeah. This is Hanwha company, and also this company make this festival. Yeah.
I'm sorry. Yeah, it's not the place. Oh my gosh, I can't walk here. No way.
Thailand is really famous. Alai. Alai. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Hi guys. How was the fireworks? Because the team was Japan and the USA and the Korea. Third one was the Korea. But the Japan and America, I can't see because of the tree. Yeah. But how was it? Was it good or not? Right now, I'm just going home. It's almost 10 p.m. And then I think I'll arrive at maybe 11 p.m. because there's so many people everywhere. Yeah. Alright. Today it was really, it was good. Yeah. Okay. See you next time. Bye bye. สวัสดีจ้า สวัสดีจ้า That team name ก็เน่สวัสดีครับ What is the pixie? Pixie?
Show me how